Hello friends, my name is Mr. Nalode JK. Today I am going to cover the topic of basics of IC engine, which comes under the subject of applied thermodynamics. So first of all, heat engine is a device which is used to convert the chemical energy of fuel into mechanical work. So here, according to the first law of thermodynamics, we need some heat energy which can be converted into mechanical work. The chemical energy from fuel when we burn, it converts into heat energy, and that heat is converted into mechanical work. So fuels are nothing but the petrol, diesel or coal. And mechanical work means shaft energy, rotating shaft. So there are two types of heat engine. First one is the internal combustion engine and second one is the external combustion engine. Internal combustion engine means the combustion takes place inside the cylinder piston arrangement. There is a combustion chamber which uses fuel and it is ignited by some external agency like spark plug. Then due to the combustion products, the piston moves to the downward side and it is converted into mechanical work. So this is the arrangement for internal combustion engine. There is a cylinder, there is a piston which is connected by a connecting rod to crankshaft, and the combustion products actually pushes the piston to the downward side, and then it is converted into mechanical work. Whereas in the external combustion engine, the furnace is used to heat the fuel or to burn the fuel, and those gas products are supplied to the piston cylinder arrangement, say, and then this piston cylinder arrangement and a connecting rod to crankshaft, it is converted into mechanical energy. In some cases, in the external combustion engine, gas turbine is used. So gas turbine is a device which uses exhaust gases directly to move the gas turbine. So here actually gas products rotates the gas turbine. Example of internal combustion engine are petrol engine and diesel engine. And the example of external combustion engine are steam power plant, where boiler is used, and gas turbine power plant. So in the internal combustion engine, it is suitable for transportation because it is less bulky and heavy, and power to weight ratio of internal combustion engine is high as compared to the external combustion engine. So it is suitable for transportation. And external combustion engine is suitable for electricity generation, say, or stationary work. IC engines are less bulky, these are more bulky. IC engine uses costly fuels like petrol, and diesel, whereas external combustion engine uses coal or biomass, which are less costly. So this is nothing but the internal combustion engine and external combustion engine. So this is the demonstration model of 4-stroke SI engine, spark ignited engine. We will study here the basic component of IC engine. In this demonstration model, we can see that there is this piston and cylinder arrangement where with the help of carburetor, air and fuel mixture is prepared. With the help of intake manifold, it is admitted via inlet valve to the combustion chamber. In this combustion chamber, a spark plug is located. The function of spark plug is to add the spark inside the combustion chamber. When the combustion process takes place, due to the gas pressure, this piston pushes to the downward side, and then with the help of this connecting rod and crankshaft arrangement, this transverse motion is converted into rotary motion like this. So in this, the carburetor is used to prepare the air fuel mixture. Then the inlet valve is used to admit this air and fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber. The exhaust valve is used to escape out the exhaust gases from this exhaust manifold, and this valve mechanism is rotated with the help of rocker arm and camshaft. The cam profile is located on the crankshaft, which is rotated with the help of engine shaft, and this connecting rod and crankshaft is connected to the flywheel, and eventually flywheel transmit the energy to the axle. So these are the basic component of IC engine.